but he has won his last 5 decisions against them. Uh-oh.
Crushed deep to right field. Bosch won't get this one. Gone for a home run. Choo gets the Indians on the board first with his 15th home run of the year. A laser to right field. 1-zip drive with 2 out here in the first.
Well, he picked himself a fastball and did not miss it. For Choo, his 15th homer, and the Indians will take a 1-0 lead. That was no doubt. This is going to be our McDonald's. I'm loving it. All you could do in right field there, if you're Brennan Bosch, is just turn and see how far it's going to go up into the seats. And it got out of here in a hurry.